Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are actively looking for fresher jobs, internships, or early career software roles, I have got three opportunities today that are quite different from each other. One is for front-end developers, second one is for Python developers who are interested in backend, and third one is a remote role which can be good starting point for freshers into software development. So watch this video till the end. Depending on your skill set, there might be something that fits you well. The first opportunity is from Bitscale for the role of front-end engineer focused on AI native product interfaces. This position is based in Gurgaon. It's a full-time in-office role and they are hiring candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. The compensation range mentioned is between 8 to 15 LPA, and on top of that, they are also offering equity ranging from 0.1 to 0.5 percentage, which is something you don't see very often in early career roles. So, what makes this opening interesting is the kind of product they are building. Most front end roles involve creating dashboards, forms, admin panel, and standard web interfaces. Here, the company is building AI powered products, so the front end experience itself become a huge part of the product. They are looking for someone who can help create streaming chat interfaces, workflow builders, real time dashboards, agent visualization, and other interactive experience that users directly engage with. The tech stack includes React, Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. So, if you have spent time building projects using these technologies, this role can become more relevant for you. One more thing I liked going through the description is that they repeatedly emphasize ownership. This doesn't sound like the kind of company where you will assign to tiny tickets for months. It looks like an environment where you will be involved in discussions, receive customer feedback, build features quickly, and actually see your work reaching users. The responsibilities include covering designs into production ready interfaces, improving performance, building responsive experiences, and creating polished interactions throughout the product. They are also interested in candidates who understand how users interact with software rather than simply writing code. If you have built personal projects, SaaS products, portfolio application, dashboard system, or anything where you paid attention to the user experience, make sure you highlight those projects when applying. Another thing worth mentioning is that they are open to freshers. They are not focusing heavily on degrees or years of experience. They specifically mention that practical skills, GitHub contributions, portfolios, and demonstrated product building ability. So, if you are someone who spends time building things outside college assignment, this could be one of those opportunities where your projects speak louder than your resume. So, for front-end developers interested in React, Next.js, and startup culture, this is definitely worth checking out. Now, moving to the second opportunity, this one is from Maxgen Technologies for the role of Python developer. The position is located in Ahmedabad. It's a full time in office role and it's open for freshers. Now, this role is much more focused on backend engineering. A lot of students learn Python but struggle to find opportunities where they can actually apply it professionally. This role appears to be designed for candidates who have already learned Python basics and now want exposure to application development, databases, APIs, and backend architecture. The company expects candidates to develop, test, and maintain backend applications while working with frameworks like Django, Flask, or FastAPI. If you have ever built CRUD applications, authentication system, then you may have a chance. The responsibilities include writing maintainable code, building APIs, collaborating with front-end developers, debugging applications, optimizing performance, and working with databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. What stands out here is that they are not limiting themselves to one framework. Instead of saying you must know a specific technology, they are looking for developers who understand backend concepts and can adapt. That's actually a good sign for freshers because companies often value learning ability more than framework memorization. The skills include Python, Django, Flask, FastAPI, REST APIs, SQL, database management, Git, debugging, and software development fundamentals. If you are preparing for backend interviews, these are exactly the areas you should focus on. The company also mentions code reviews and coding standards. which means you will likely get exposure to professional development practices rather than just writing isolated scripts. That's important because transitioning from student project to industry project often requires learning how teams collaborate, reviews their code, manage repositories, and maintain software over time. For anyone whose goal is to become a backend developer, this role provides a practical pathway to start building that experience. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. This one is from Equinox for the role of Django or Python trainee. Unlike the previous role, this opportunity is completely work from home and available across India. It's open to candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience, making it suitable for freshers and recent graduates. If you are specifically interested in Django development, this is probably the most focused opportunity among today's openings. The role revolves around building backend applications using Python and Django while learning software architecture principles and development best practices. One thing I appreciate about the description is that it doesn't just talk about building features, it also talks about maintainability, testing, code quality, and long term architecture. These are areas that many beginners overlook. A lot of developers can build something that works, but writing software that remains understandable and maintainable months later is a complete different skill. According to the job description, you will be writing modular Python code, developing applications using Django and Django REST framework, creating APIs, improve application architecture, writing unit tests, and participating in debugging and performance improvements. This means you will gain exposure to important backend concepts that are used across the industry. The company is looking for candidates who are genuinely interested in Python development and willing to continuously improve their coding practices. You don't need experience of years, but having personal projects can significantly strengthen your application. Because for freshers position, projects often become the strongest evidence of your abilities. Another advantage here is that it is a remote work setup. For many freshers, getting their first role can sometimes require flexibility in terms of location. Since this position is work from home, candidates from different parts of India can apply without worrying about relocation immediately. Equinox itself operates in the cybersecurity and cloud security domain, which means you will be working in an environment where software reliability and scalability are important considerations. So, if your goal is to become a backend developer in a Python and you are specifically looking for a remote opportunity, this role actually deserves serious consideration. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. First, Bitscale is hiring front-end engineers in Gurgaon. Second is a Maxgen Technologies is hiring Python developer. And third, Equinox is hiring Django or Python trainees. If you are applying to any of these roles, don't just submit your resume and move on. Spend a few minutes tailoring it. If it's a front end role, highlight front end projects, and if it's a back end role, showcase your APIs and database, server side applications. Small adjustment like that can make application much stronger. I hope at least one of these opportunities matches your profile. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep an eye on my channel. Till then, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.